In this video guys, I will show you step by step on how to know if someone deactivated their Instagram account. First of all, after you open up your Instagram app like this, now tap on this search button. After you tap on this search, all you have to do now, go and search for the person name, as you can see now. So now type in the person name that you are just thinking that he or she deactivated their Instagram account. So I'll just go and search for random name on Instagram. So let's say I'll just use the random name. So as you can see now, let's say I search this person on Instagram. But if this person, as you can see now that I search now, has deactivated his Instagram account, you cannot be able to see his profile. If you tap on the you cannot be able to see his name in the list of the people that you search on Instagram. So the next option to know if that person deactivated their Instagram account, you can use other people account like your friend Instagram account and search for the person name. If you search for the person name on your friend's Instagram account and you find out that you cannot see his profile on Instagram, that means that that person has deactivated their Instagram account, so their Instagram account is no longer existing. That's it guys on how to fix this problem. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching guys.